Well, that's a very important question, and it's one of the difficult ones. Now, I know that the first thing that people cut during crisis is training costs. You know, it's the first thing. Our job, I want to use the word lobby, but I'm not using it in a negative way, is to make sure that the management and the CEO understand that what will make the company grow again is the people, especially more importantly during a period of crisis. Technology is there, we cannot change anything, right? The assets we have are there. What will make the company grow is its people. And here it is our role as HR to make sure that this is cascaded down everywhere. We have one company now during COVID. They decided to go and assess each and every one of their employees. They conducted the high profile assessment that we do. It's an amazing assessment. I mean, I've been doing assessments for 20 years. And when I learned about high profile, this is an OSM profile, we used it because it's the only one that measures the attitude of the person, not the skills. It measures a couple of skills that are needed for high performance, but also it measures the attitude. So they used it for 15 or 19, I think, 19 people from their management team, starting with the owner. And the owner was the first one who did it. Then the 19 people. And based on this, he was able to find out who are the people who will help him navigate out of his crisis. Based on this, he found out who are the resilient people, who are the motivated people, who were the organized, expansive people, you know, who are the people who are ready to change. High profile, for example, it's one of few others who has, how ready is the person ready to change? Is he stubborn or ready to change? So he did that, and he removed from his management team the people that were hindering his progress. But I know that not every CEO or every company owner will think this way, especially during time of crisis. But again, now it's our role as an HR to explain to them that this fraction of cost that you put in training and development, I'm talking about a real fraction of the cost, will give them much more results. Usually what I do is, I go, this is what I used to do. How much the training budget I needed, I tell them, I'll get the money. I'm not gonna ask sales to increase sales or, you know, the margins to go up or anything. I, as an HR, will get the money. And then, believe me, you can go places and you'll find a lot of money. Not a lot, but you can get the money that you need for training. So it's a trade-off for the CEO. You're not paying anything. I'm just removing money from here and putting it here. From where can you remove money? I remember one time, this was like 15 years ago, before all the emails and, no, more than 15. Sorry, I'm that old. More than 15. Before we had, everything was on emails and scan. So between the countries and the cities in the countries, we had courier service. And every store used a courier company. All right. I remember really well. We used to send documents in the morning and some documents in the afternoon. We had passports going, you know, we had a lot of documents flowing between the stores and the country. I remember I had an HR meeting. I brought all the HR and just sampled how much everyone is paying per envelope. I remember really well, the average was 12 dirham. So I told them, okay, I want one person to go to all the logistics company, negotiate all our consolidated shipments for something less than 12. And this was done, and I think we got something like 9 or 10. So it's 2 dirhams per shipment, but how many shipments we had a day? For 26 days a month. I don't remember what we were trying to finance at that time. Honestly, I don't. But we got the money, and we financed whatever we wanted.